What's up, T-boders? This is Ty from Tbodfitness.com. Today we are going to be going over the core exercise, the hollow body rock. The hollow body rock is a great exercise that is based off of a Pilates move. The hollow body rock works the muscles in the core known as the transverse abdominis. Let's go over how to do the hollow body rock. To perform the hollow body rock, you'll want to start in a seated position on the floor. Almost in an L stance, you will want to rock your body backwards, and then as you rock forward, you'll want to bring your feet as close to the ground as possible without actually letting them touch. Repeat this motion, rocking back and rocking forward, in order to complete each rep of this exercise. If you find that using this position in this hollow body stance is too difficult, there are some regressions that you can do as well. The regressions for the hollow body rock are as follows. Make yourself into a ball and do the rocking movement with just the ball position. When you're in the ball position and you rock forward, by having the knees bent, you will be able to not have so much stress be put on the core. And by doing so, you will be able to do this exercise with less pain if you find that the regular hollow body rock stance is more difficult. If it's too easy for you, but you still can't do the regular hollow body rock, keep one knee bent as if you were in a ball, but extend the other leg out from your body and do the rock this way. This takes away half of the stress on the hollow body rock, but it is a great variation for those that are having too much trouble still doing the hollow body rock. Try doing these regressions to work into how to do a proper hollow body rock. If you find that the regular hollow body rock is also too easy for you, say you've been practicing it for a while and you're looking for something a little bit more challenging, then you'll want to add weight to the hollow body rock as a proper progression for this exercise. Simply hold a weight in your hand while your hands are above your head while doing the rocking motion. As you do that, you will be able to have more weight that you have to displace as you rock forward. This will in turn make the core work that much harder, and you will definitely feel the burn on the hollow body rock exercise. You'll know that you're doing the hollow body rock the wrong way if you rock forward and your feet touch the ground. By doing this, you take away the stress that is being put on your core muscles. That way, you won't really feel too much when you do the hollow body rock. It still may work the core muscles, but you will only get about half of the exercise as you do this in this way. That's why I say stick with the regressions until you feel strong enough to do a proper hollow body rock. All right, T-bodders, now you know how to do the hollow body rock. The hollow body rock is a great exercise that works the muscles in the transverse abdominis of the core. By doing the regression, you will be able to work up to a proper hollow body rock. Then you have the progression if you need a little bit more of a challenge as you become more expert at doing the exercise. If you learned something new today, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want me to cover a video like this or some different topic, comment in the section below. Make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video upload. If you're looking for a routine that puts the hollow body rock into a routine that works best for you, head on over to Tbodfitness.com. At Tbodfitness.com, we have customized routines for whatever your goals are. We have online personal training, online nutritional coaching, and you can schedule a consultation for a one-on-one with the trainer. Remember that success is achieved by staying consistent and always making the next right choice. That's Tbodfitness.com. Finish strong.